Hi everyone, we're going to find the derivative of this trigonomic function using the chain rule and the quotient rule. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and write this in terms of sine and cosine. Cotan is cosine over sine. Then we have that all over sine. So we get cosine of x over sine squared of x. And also you can write this as cosine of x over sine of x squared, because these are the same thing. That's an x. Alright, so we can go ahead and take the derivative, and I'm going to use this. Sometimes I might use this one, or I might use that one. Okay, so the derivative of x is, you take your denominator and write it down, so that's just I'm going to write sine squared of x. Now I'm going to take the derivative of the numerator. Derivative of cosine of x is negative sine of x. Okay, minus your numerator times the derivative of the denominator. Now this is where I'm going to use this one right here. So I'm going to use the power function, and the chain rule. I'm going to bring the 2 in front and write 2 sine of x. And then multiply that by, what's the derivative of sine of x? That's cosine of x. All over my denominator, which is sine squared. So now it's going to be sine to the 4th x, or sine to the 4th, because you're squaring your denominator. Alright, now if I divide each piece by sine, so basically what I'm going to do, and I'm going to go ahead and erase this, I'm going to put this sine to the 4th x under each piece. And for my denominator, I'm going to have sine cube of x. So basically, when I do that, I'm reducing this down to just one sine. And this sign's just going to go away. So I'm going to have negative sine squared of x minus 2 cosine squared of x. And that's basically your answer. However, to clean this up further, what I'm going to do is use my Pythagorean identity, because I have this 2 here. And you know that sine squared, let's see, put it over here, sine squared of x equals 1 minus cosine squared of x. So I'm going to write that. So we have negative 1 minus cosine squared of x minus 2 cosine squared of x all over sine cubed. Now what's going to happen here, when you distribute the negative, you're going to get 1 plus cosine squared of x minus 2 cosine squared of x. And that's going to end up being 1 minus cosine squared of x. Or negative 1, sorry. Forgot my negative. Over sine cubed of x. And that is it. Thank you, and have a nice day. Bye-bye.